Hello dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you a makeup tutorial. The first thing you will need is moisturizer. I'm using E.l.F. Happy Cream. I'm using mostly in my T-zone, but I am putting it all over my face. This will give you a natural, pretty glow. And now I'm going in with a little bit more hydration with the NYX Hydratouch. And now I'm looking very plump. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite primers. You can see that it is all gone. This is my favorite, and I use this in my T-zone. Because I don't have much hair on my eyebrows, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Brow Gel. Crazy, but trust the process. And now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer for under my eyebrows. Just so it's not too bright above my eye, I go on with a little bit of foundation. And now, before I put any foundation on my face, I'm going with a little bit of concealer under my eye just to give it a little bit more plumpness. One of my favorite drugstore foundations, NYX, in the color Mocha. I'm just spreading this evenly across my face, but not over the concealer. And now I am blending out my concealer with the small beauty blender. Now to add some brightness, I'm going on top of it with a little bit lighter concealer. Now I'm going on top with a much lighter concealer, but I'm not putting too much. I'm letting that dry a bit. This is my secret to a snatched nose. This is cream eyeshadow, but I use it as a highlighter for my nose. And now I like to pat it through with a small brush before I start blending it a little bit more. Concealer is the darkest one of the first I just showed you, just so we can get our highlight and contour on point. And now I am doing more blending. That is the secret to having a flawless look. You have to blend, blend, blend. I feel like everything is blended out. I'm going in with my contour color. And I like to use this lighter contour for my nose because I don't like it too harsh. Also requires a lot of blending too. So let's get close and personal so you can see how snatched my nose is. Blend, 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 blend. That's all I have to say. One of my favorite powders, setting powders by Black Opal. I am using this and mixing it with a little bit of Fit Me because this one is lighter. Going in with Juvia's Place palette right here because it gives me a warm look. And I believe this one is also Juvia's Place. I might be mistaken, but I'm definitely loving this blush, and I will link everything down below. And now it's time to dust everything away. Those individuals were not holding on tight, so I did have to add some lashes on top. And this is one of my favorite lip liners also. It's a little pinkish, but this is my natural look. It's mixed with a little bit of pink and brown. Also, don't forget to spray your face. I like to go with the NYX matte spray. Definitely mascara on the bottom lashes. Little bit of gloss, and this is a successful look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs me up. Thank you so much for watching.